Hi there, Doug Stewart with IT Creations with a system from Tyan. Today we have the AMD EPYC 9005 or 9004 series powered Tyan B8261T85E24HR-2T Barebones server. At this point, I will mention that Tyan has recently been absorbed by the parent company, MiTAC Computing. MiTAC has been around since 1982, so Tyan is still under the same umbrella as before, just with a major rebranding effort as Tyan will transition to MiTAC. Okay, enough of that. Subscribe, thumbs up, let's go. This system is designed for high-performance computing applications, AI workloads, data analytics, VDI, and more. Since MiTAC calls this system a Tyan on their website, I'll continue using that name for this video. I will mention that this system, the Tyan B8261T85E24HR-2T server, is part of the TN85B8261 family. And there are two others. In our case, it has a -2T suffix, but there is also a -2TN and a -2TNHE. Our system today has 24 U.2 NVMe drive bays up front, while the other two siblings only have 8 drive bays. Both have auxiliary fans mounted on the back of the system. One is outfitted with 8cm fans and the other with 6cm fans. There's also 6 PCI slots for both of those, while ours only has 4. Of course, our system also has more MCIO connectors for the 24 U.2 NVMe drives up front, but the other two servers make up for less storage with room for up to 4 GPUs. This system, no GPUs. Onward. The drive caddies are toolless, which will save time during setup. Along with those 24 hot swap NVMe drive bays up front, there's a control panel on the right-hand side. The control panel includes a power on button, identification button, and a reset button. Next, a few LEDs for LAN 1 and LAN 2, unit ID, HDDs, and a warning LED. That perforated panel is just that, a perforated panel. The other server ear has 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports. Are you interested in the 24-bay Tyan B8261T85E24HR-2T, and don't make me say that again, Barebones server? Or maybe one of those other systems that support 4 GPUs. If you are, then for a limited time you could save up to $500 at the purchase price of a system that's listed or one that you can configure at IT Creations that's valued at $5,000 or more. Just click that link for more information or to configure a system. When you're ready to make a purchase, just mention this video to save. itcreations.com. Moving around to the back of the server, you can see the dual redundant 2700 watt 80 plus titanium PSUs located right in the middle below the I/O panel. The I/O panel includes 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, a VGA port, a dedicated integrated platform management port or IPMI port, then 2 10 gigabit Ethernet RJ45 ports, which is quite nice, and a unit ID button with integrated LED. PCI slots are located to either side. Before I remove the cover panel, I wanted to point out this little removable panel that provides direct access to the 6 6cm fans so they can be replaced if need be with minimal impact on system cooling. Opening the case, you can see a very clean layout. Plastic air shroud directs fresh air from those fans over the CPUs and memory modules. Once removed, you can see the dual sockets, each with 12 memory module slots to take advantage of the AMD EPYC 12-channel memory architecture. The system can be outfitted with CPUs with a thermal design power rating of up to 500 watts. Although that does come with some restrictions and probably with additional parts. With the AMD EPYC 9004 series, you get a choice of Genoa, Bergamo, and Genoa X, or the 9005 series Turin CPUs. Italy. When are they going to Venice? Hopefully before it sinks into the ocean or the locals drive everyone out of town. 9004 series Genoa CPUs are optimized for a wide range of workloads and is kind of the standard offering. Genoa X features AMD's 3D V-cache technology and have much more L3 cache at 768 megabytes to 1152 megabytes. Genoa X are targeted at technical workloads, design, and simulation. And then the Bergamo processors, which seem to now be called the 97X4 CPUs, which makes absolutely no sense to me. Yes, they are 4th gen AMD EPYCs just like the others, but feature Zen 4C architecture compared to the run-of-the-mill Zen 4 architecture on the other Genoans. They provide more cores per socket, plus energy efficiency for growing cloud-native environments with scalable performance. You'll have to decide what is going to work best for your specific application, or give us a call if you need some help. With the 9004 series processors, CPUs with up to 128 physical cores and 256 virtual threads each can be installed. The 9004 series processors top out at a TDP of up to 400 watts, specifically with the 9684X processor offering 96 cores and 3D V-cache technology with 1152 megabytes of L3 cache. To arrive at the top TDP supported, we have to go to the 9005 series, codenamed Turin. The 9965 has a TDP of 500 watts, but also provides up to 192 physical cores and 384 virtual threads. With that one, your system could realize the power of 384 physical cores and 768 virtual threads. Quite impressive. For memory, you can install registered or load-reduced DIMMs. With 12-channel memory architecture, each memory module will have its very own memory channel for maximum performance. At 1 DIMM per channel, memory can run at speeds of up to 6,000 megatransfers per second, at least with the 9005 series Turin processors. With the Genoa 9004 series variant, memory speeds with 1 DIMM per channel are reduced to 4,800 megatransfers per second. This system has an integrated ASPEED AST2600 baseboard management controller featuring IPMI 2.0 and Redfish compatibility. A dedicated port on the back of the system provides remote out-of-band management with IKVM support. Also supported is Tyan's TSM Plus 2.0 software management utility for use with multiple servers. It allows administrators to monitor, manage, analyze, and receive reports, and the user interface is supported on most browsers. This platform supports 4 full-height, full-length PCI 5.0 slots for storage and network controllers. As I said earlier, this -2T suffix platform does not support GPUs, as this particular version is for storage-intensive workloads. However, just to jog your memory, the other 2 systems in the family, the -2T-N and the -2T-N-HE, can be outfitted with up to 4 double-wide GPUs. Our -2T platform has 12 MCIO connectors on the system board, each with a BY8 PCI connector to support the upfront NVMe storage. Since there is no PCI switching, the CPU has direct access to the storage for reduced latency. This system can be outfitted with several NICs offering speeds from 10 gigabit Ethernet to 400 gigabit Ethernet. An NVIDIA Bluefield network adapter can also be installed. The Bluefield NIC has a PCI 5.0x16 interface with a single QSFP112 network port, plus an integrated 8-core ARM CPU. It offers advantages for storage operations including NVMe over Fabric. Also good for high-speed networking and AI acceleration. It has an integrated baseboard management controller for enhanced management and control of the adapter through the NVIDIA DOCA, whatever, software framework. Both Ethernet and InfiniBand protocols are supported. It's designed to remove some of the burden from the CPU while offering advanced security features. For storage, there's a Broadcom 12 gigabit per second SAS Mega RAID controller or the Grade Supreme RAID SR1000 NVMe controller, which can support up to 32 SSDs. Offering a full 24 bays of NVMe storage and options for super-fast network connectivity, the Tyan B8261T85E24HR-2T Barebones server can be configured to support a number of high-performance workloads. The only thing you might have trouble with is the name. If you would like more information on this platform, I placed a few links below, or you can use that one right there. If you are looking for another platform, check out IT Creations. Chances are we have what you need. itcreations.com. Until next time, I'm Doug Stewart with IT Creations, and thanks for watching.